I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. As you can see, it's messed up. So now. Stop it, Tally! May not look like progress, but it is. Wait, oopsies.
Don't worry, that person in the background is not constipated. Just trying to fart. Okay, you can stop now.
I'm almost done. Taking way too long.
Oh! Yes, you are.
But when he solves it...
No, I took more than 2 minutes. I'm dumb. You can see I've solved all the faces. And if you want to learn how to solve it, too bad. You have to wait until the next video.
It's really nice to be the same in front of a crowd of people. Or
Yep.
okay then. Bye.